Welcome back to the Good Times We Share. Today we're sharing with you an orange cake recipe that we love. Please don't forget to check the description down below for all the ingredients you need. So to start with, you need 300 grams of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and a 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So you put your baking powder on a sieve so that you can get rid of all those lumps before you mix it in. So mixing everything together, these are our dry ingredients. So setting that aside, then we are going to get our oranges and we're just going to get off some of that zest. We need about 2 tablespoons of orange zest for this recipe. So 3 oranges should be enough to give us that, making sure you do not get the white bits because they might ruin the taste of our cake. So once that is done, then we're going to need about 180 ml of fresh orange juice. So using the same oranges, we're just going to squeeze out that fresh orange juice. If the 3 oranges do not give you 180 ml, you can get another orange so that you have enough for this recipe. So once that is done, we're going to get another big bowl, so 200 grams of granulated sugar, to which we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of orange zest. So we're just going to mix this well together, rubbing this together, making sure all the sugar is coated with that orange zest, giving it this nice yellow color. To this, we're going to add 180 ml of our fresh orange juice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 240 ml of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So these are wet ingredients, or our wet ingredients together. So we're just going to mix this well together. So just keep combining this until it's all mixed. Then you're going to pour it into your dry ingredients. So then we're going to just fold in the butter gently. Making sure we break up all the lumps, and once this is done, it is all ready. At this point, we should be preheating our oven to 175 degrees. So then you're going to pour this into your prepared baking tin whilst your oven is heating up at 175 degrees, and we're going to bake this for about 70 minutes. After 70 minutes, you should make sure once you push in something like a fork or a knife, it comes out clean, then your cake is baked. So our butter is ready. We're going to put it into the oven for 70 minutes. Whilst this is baking, we're then going to make our glaze. So for our glaze, we need 120 grams of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and half a teaspoon of orange zest. So we're just going to mix all this together. This is what we're going to use to glaze our cake, to decorate it. So once our cake is baked, we're then just going to decorate it with this nice orange flavored glaze or orange flavored icing. Like, it really tastes amazing. So just pour it on top. This is what our cake should look like at the end of the day. If you want, you can do without the icing on top, but I would recommend you make it because it makes it taste so amazing. So this looks lovely. Just to cut through and see how it is on the inside. It has that nice yellow color. It is well baked and it really does taste amazing. I hope you try this recipe. Don't forget to let us know what you think. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.